What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Surprise Career Dolls. We bought these online from Target and Amazon at prices ranging from $19.99 to $24.99 each. They are supposed to have this cover on the outside. There's a picture of Barbie with a question mark. It says, Barbie, you can be anything. It wraps all the way around the box and has instructions on the back. But these two lost their cover in shipping, so we'll just take a look at the outside of this box. At the top, it says 8 surprises inside. On the back of the box, it says, Barbie encourages imagination, expression, and discovery through play. From doctor to artist, chef to scientist, Barbie inspires the limitless potential in every girl. 8 surprises inside, and it looks like these are the surprise careers: dancer, ballerina, pet groomer, engineer, doctor, and geologist. At the bottom, there are some simple instructions. It says to pull the tab, open the door, find the surprises. Easy enough. We can pull the tab or not. Take 2. We found 3 different girls: fearless, smart girl, and girl power. I like that all of their shirts have something positive to say. We're gonna check out fearless first. Let's open the door. Inspiring girls since 1959. You will create your own happiness. Your smile is contagious. The world is a better place because of you. Never give up. Your talents will shine through. Wow, the stuff written on the inside of the box is very inspirational. I like that. Let's go ahead and free the doll from the packaging. Gotta cut a few plastic stays. And she's out of the box. She wears a red shirt with printed white stripes on the sleeves. It says Fear Less on the front. It velcros in the back. A black and white checker skirt with an elastic waistband. She wears a yellow bracelet and the classic white Barbie sneaker. The doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Now let's see her surprise career. Opening the first little box. Oh man, I tore it. It's one of the medical professions. And another one. They are wrapped in plastic bags. It's not sealed on the end, but we have a little lab coat, or a little doctor's coat, and a stethoscope. The coat is made out of cotton. It's white with pink stitching and has Barbie on the side. The dance outfit has black and pink leggings and a gray t-shirt that says Dance Mode On. Yeah! Say hello to the dance doctor, taking temperatures while doing the robot. But seriously, the careers don't have to be combined. They give you 2, so you have options. Let's open the next one. I cannot tear these for anything. I'm gonna mess up my nails. Oh my goodness, it's a baby. It's okay, it's okay. The baby is in good hands with the doctor. The baby has the basic 5 points of articulation. Scratch that. The baby has the basic 4 points of articulation and a removable diaper. 2 surprises to go. We're just gonna rip right through those. Okay, and looks like some more doctor stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's doctor stuff. In the last one, we have a water bottle. Perfect for the dancer career and the doctor. Girl power is up next. Inside the box, it looks the same. The doll has curly hair, wears a black choker, a tie-dye tank top that says Girl Power, pink pants with white stitching, and white shoes. Our first surprise is another doctor coat and another dance outfit. Oh man, These are surprise boxes, so doubles are possible. But maybe it's not so bad, because we now have uniforms for a dance class and 2 new doctors in our miniverse. Healthcare professionals are so important, so yeah! 2 babies, twins, double the medical equipment, and water for everyone. We have 1 more here and 1 more chance for new careers. The Barbie comes with her hair pulled back into a ponytail. She has a red plastic headband, wears a white shirt with pink stitching. It says Smart Girl on the front. A faux denim overall dress with white stitching. The pattern continues all the way around. The shirt and the overall dress are 2 separate pieces and they Velcro in the back. She wears black boots. Out of all the dolls, this is my favorite outfit. I do wish the overalls were real denim because, I love real denim. The edges of the overalls are burned rather than being folded over and hemmed. I would have liked to have seen them folded over because I like that nice clean edge. But that's just me being picky. I do like that these shoes make it very easy to balance her to stand. Time for those surprises. Please let it be a new career. I'm a little nervous. Here we go. Let's just go ahead and open the first one. And it's not a repeat. It is definitely something different. Ooh, it's a green 1-piece jumper with printed pockets and details. It Velcros in the front. And it's very cute on. It definitely reminds me of the Nat Geo Barbies. There is also an apron with little animals on the front, bones and paws. It has elastic to fit over the doll's head, and it Velcros around the waist in the back. Our next surprise is behind this little door here. Yeah, I am really bad at this. It's a puppy! But it's not just a puppy. If we can grab a hold of it. I'm struggling here. There we go. It's a little dog in a wash tub. The tub is blue with a print on the bottom. The puppy is a cream color with black eyes and nose, and its mouth is open. These are perfect accessories for a pet groomer. Our next surprise is a helmet and boots. We have an orange safety helmet. I have been wanting one of these. It will totally come in handy for all of those dollhouse renovations. It is perfect with the green outfit and the shoes. Our last surprise is it's stuff for the pet groomer and the geologist. We have shampoo and a blow dryer for the pet groomer and a rock with a stone inside. It's like a ruby. It's already been factory cut, but I understand what they're doing here. I do believe it comes out. Yes, it does. There is a ruby inside the rock. So cool. So at $19.99, it looks like you get a doll, 2 outfits, a fabric fashion accessory, a decent size accessory, and a couple of smaller ones. I think unboxing surprises is always fun, but there is a risk for doubles. Let us know in the comments down below if these are a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Barbie Surprise Career Dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Just wanna be with you.